Hey guys, so this is how to save a video on Clipchamp. So I have Clipchamp here open on my browser, and I want to go ahead and create a new video just to start out a new project from scratch. And we're gonna go ahead and click on the content library to access the stock videos. So I'll just go to visuals and then videos, and let's just do a subscribe panel. This is just for demonstration, but you can do this with your own videos as well. So I'll just drag and drop it. And we have it right here. It's importing and buffering. Let's see how this looks. Okay, didn't give it enough time to like buffer correctly, so it's a bit choppy, but that's not the purpose of the video. So we want to save this. We want to save this to Clipchamp. So a thing about Clipchamp is that it saves automatically. So once you click on this hamburger icon at the top left and just click on back to home, if you scroll down, you're gonna find in your videos, the last video right here. And if you click on it, play, it's right there. It's still buffering, but it's still there. So once you do any more edits, it's just gonna save it automatically. And once you're done editing the video, you can just go ahead and export and choose the export quality and just go ahead and export it to your device. So yeah, this is how easy it is to save a video on Clipchamp. Hope that video was helpful.